Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can put two videos together in Capcut, or how you can create a two-screen video. So first you can just start by adding a white image from the stock video in the main track, and go to overlay and add two videos. Okay, so I've already added two videos, but first you need to put a clip, a first clip here in the beginning, but put the second one a bit later. So I'm going to just move it a bit like this, then crop it. Don't forget to crop also the trim the white image, and after that click on the first overlay, go to edit, crop, and then here crop it to 9 by 60. Okay, click on a check icon, and now put the clip on the left side. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that you need to change the ratio into 9 by 1 by 1 or square. Then here just click on the first overlay and put it on the left side. Okay, like this. And now do the same things for the second overlay, but put it on the right side. Okay, just adjust the position to your liking, but you need to make sure that there is a gap in the middle like this. Okay, so it will go like this. And now go to overlay and add a white image again as overlay, but now go to mask, select star, and click on the check icon and put the star in the middle of the clip, in the middle like this. Just make it small, and you can just put it in the middle. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the two-screen video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, and also comment. Bye.